The Location Overview page answers one question: where are my students right now? You'll find it under Location Overview in your left nav. Any student on an active pass, checked into a location, or on an active event shows up here in real time. At the top are 3 charts. Current check-in locations shows which locations students are currently at. Active passes breaks down which pass types are live right now: late arrivals, health center, early dismissal. Active events shows any events currently in progress. Together, these give you a snapshot of the school day in seconds. Below the charts is a map. If your locations have geopoints assigned in the admin console, students checked into those locations appear as pins. Clusters group multiple students at the same spot. Click to expand. Beneath the map is the student table. Every student listed with their current location and how long they've been there. Search any name to find a student instantly. Any active pass also shows alongside their location, so you get both where they are and why. One setting that keeps this page accurate: the automatic location reset. Find it in your location overview and go to location settings. Set a time, around 9 p.m. works well, and Orah resets every student's location back to home at that time each day. Without this, yesterday's classroom location carries over into today. With it, every morning starts clean. You can choose the filters to customize the location reset. Hit save and you are good to go. See you in the next video.